Okay, hold on. Chains are all tangled up. All right, now we rolling. We're rolling. We roll.
Yeah, it's a vibe thing. You like the vibe. Yeah, it's a vibe thing. You like the vibe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Shauna For Real, where I keep it real. You already know what it is. And today I'm coming to you guys with a hair review slash unboxing video. I got hair from this vendor called My Diva Hair on AliExpress. And you know, I'm trying to try something new, so I got the color 613, which is a very, very like platinum blonde. I'm going to be toning it and doing a shadow root. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so let's get into this video and see how good the hair is. I'll see you guys will, whoa, I don't know why I always like stutter. I be stuttering, stuttering. Anyway, let's see my first impressions on this hair. Is it good? Is it lit? Does it shed? Let's do it. All right, so this is what it came. It came by DHL in this package. I'm so excited, guys. I probably should have got some scissors. So let's just tear this open real quick and let's pull it out. Okay, so it came in this cute little mesh drawstring bag, and let's open it up. So it says, thank you for choosing My Diva Hair Factory online. It has its Facebook, Instagram, and it shows hair care steps on how to take care of the hair, which I don't need because I take care of it how I want. But okay. Oh, this is actually cute. Look at this little, it came with a little clip. I probably can't use it. I'll probably give it to my niece, but this little clip, it's so cute. Has a little bow tie. Alright. I ordered 3 bundles and a closure. So I ordered 3 bundles of 18 inches, which are these. The bundles kind of, just looking in the pack, they kind of look a little thin. Like, I don't know. It doesn't look like that much hair. Let's take one out. Because I wanted a nice full wig, and this kind of looks, yeah, feels really thin. Yeah, it's kind of thin, but I guess if you have 3, you'll be okay. It's really, really, really soft. But that's what I don't like. Why does it look like they cut the ends? Make that look natural. It looks like they just took a scissors away. But it's okay. This is the width of it. It's alright. I don't know. I just feel like it's thin. I don't know if it's just me. Let's do a shed test. Okay. Let's do another one. Alright, no hair. Yay. Okay. It's alright. It can go on. It can go on. It's going to get toned anyway. Let me see how it looks on my skin. Oh, hell to no. But yeah, it's going to get toned, so it won't be this blonde. But so far, it's okay. It's really soft. This is that. Let's check the closure out, because the closure is the big deal. Closure feels mad thin, but alright. Let's see. Ooh. This is cool. Oh. No, it's not. People were saying the closure's thin. It's actually really dense. This is the closure. It's a free part closure. 4x4. Like this. This one I got in 16 inches. Oh. Y'all see that? It sheds. Oh, here sheds, but. Oh, sheds a lot. Okay. I know this is definitely gonna shed out. For sure. Because every time I pull it, strands are coming out the hair. Like, what the hell? Every single time. Oh my god. Alright. But the hair, it is dense. It's good. It's good. I would say it's good for the closure. It's not that, you know? And I like, you see, like the closure looks less cut. Like, what is that in the hair? What the hell? Oh, yeah, look, this looks more natural. You see the ends compared to these ends? Like, look at the difference. Why would you cut hair straight across? That doesn't make any sense, but it's gonna make it work. But yeah, these are it. First impressions. Let me check the other bundles, because sometimes you get better bundles. Better bundles. Ow. Let's take all 3 of these bad boys out. Let's see how thick. I like my hair full. I don't like no scanty hair. Remember, the longer you go, guys, in length, the less hair you will get in your bundles. So, really soft, though. What the hell? I'm struggling. I'm like pulling off all the hairs. So these are all 3 bundles together. Let's see how thick. It is pretty thick, I guess, if you put them together. I just hate this. Like, why is it cut so blunt? But it's super duper soft. Super soft. But this closure, on the other hand, I don't know if it's gonna hold up or not, but we'll try a thing. But yeah, guys, so just to recap what I did get, I got 3 bundles of 18-inch in the color 613, and I also got the 16-inch 4x4 closure, and in total I think I paid $158. They were having a sale. I think now though it's like $181, but that's still a good deal for 4 pieces of hair. That's a really good deal. And the length is 18 inches. So that's a really good deal. And if you order through the app, you actually get it for like a couple dollars cheaper, but it's still cheaper than ordering it from your computer. And yeah, and the company which I ordered from is My Diva Hair. So I will be linking that link down below. And I'm also going to be doing a video, as I said, on the coloring of this hair and the wig because I'm making a wig out of it. So I'll be making another video on that. So stay tuned for that again. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to unbox it, get my natural reactions and stuff. So far, so good. The hair is soft. The closure does seem like it's going to be shedding a little bit, but it is full, so it should last me a little while. And yeah, this closure does look natural. Like, I don't know if you guys look closely. It looks natural, the hairline. But yeah, and it's a free part closure. And it took only, because it was Labor Day, no, it actually got delivered on Labor Day, surprisingly. So it took, I ordered on Tuesday, midday. It shipped out Wednesday, like 4 in the morning. So it took like 3 days or 4 days. Yeah, 3 or 4 days. I think it was just because it was the holiday, so it kind of took a little bit longer. And obviously, weekends do not count. But yeah, this hair, we about to try it out. I'm trying something new. I'm so scared. I'm amped. But yeah. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. All the links will be linked down below. So if you guys want to go check out that vendor or whatnot, get your guys some hair. But yeah, if you're new, you know what to do. Subscribe down below. I cannot speak today. Subscribe down below and join the Real Squad family. But I am out with this hair video, so peace.